is officially due for an oil change in over 30 plus years because it's been sitting for that long since we rebuilt it. And I'm very excited because this is going to be the first oil change that I do. So yeah, come along.
Talk about what you're doing.
Changing the oil in my 64.5 Mustang.
Don't get both hands in there, you're gonna get dirty. Catch the drain plug. Ooh, it looks dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty.
We are due for an oil change.
That's what 3,000 miles does.
Taking off the oil filter. So then we can...
Now just let it start draining. Yep, there you go. Just let it run for a minute.
Taking some of the old oil to put around the seal of the new oil filter so it just seals a little bit better. I think we might. Is that good? Do we need
I
some
think you got plenty.
more? Okay.
Now slide it up on there in the right spot. Start turning it to the righty-tighty.
Let's see.
Yep, that's it. Just right there. Gets at that angle.
Let's see if it's at the right angle here.
Yeah, you gotta bring the back of it down a little bit. Yep, you're right there. You're on the threads. A little tall for you?
A little bit.
All right, we can go a little lower the lift.
I think that's tight.
All right, fire in the hole.
Clear? I do not have an oil pressure gauge. Shut her down. Check this.
You wipe it off.
Wipe her off.
Okay.
Stick her back in there. Okay, hang on. And check her again. How's she look?
Looks like it's right there, right where it's supposed to be.
Good.
I think it's right there. That's right where it's supposed to be. Here, we'll do it one more time just so I can see it.
One more time.
It's right there.
Wait, let me hit it to focus.
It's right there, right where it's supposed to be.
Perfect.
All right. Let me check your master cylinder. You know, just go straight back and you'll be all right. Good? Ah, you'll be all right.
They feel so solid.
I can hear the brakes in the back too, so that's awesome.